the second largest search engine in the world. Almost 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every day. Hundreds of new channels are being made every day. There are millions of channels on YouTube. This article will guide you on how to make a YouTube intro using PowerPoint that will surely help you impress your viewers and turn them into subscribers. One of the best things that enhance the branding of your channel is a beautiful yet minimal intro for your channel. But, there is comparatively a lot lesser number of channels that can be set apart from the channel crowd because of their high quality content, that simply make them the rulers of the video sharing platform. We all know that content is the king. But, believe me, branding is equally important. When a channel has a personalized intro with its brand name, and a subtle animation, the user is more likely to remember the channel's name and come back to the channel when he needs more similar content. This would highly increase the chances that the user will subscribe to your channel. We can take the hype of Apple iPhones as an example to understand the value of a brand image. The key to success on YouTube is to keep making great content and also include your brand image in your videos in a subtle manner so that it stays on the mind of the viewer. Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 or higher. Well, with custom images, animations and designs, you can make it look and feel exactly the way you want so that it complements your brand's image. For example, here's a clean, simple intro and outro of TechRabun YouTube channel, made using PowerPoint. These are a very simple intro and outro that I have used for the TechRabun channel. But, as I have already said, you can make your intro or outro as awesome as you want, just use your creativity.